Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix TFI live app not working. So let's get started. So here I will directly search for TFI live app. So TFI like go app. So if it's not working, you have to follow this step. Just press and hold to the app. Then have to click on this I button. So at here you have to scroll down and just click on the storage. Click on the clear data and just delete it. Open it again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So at here I will just go. Okay. So here I will just press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this app info. Then here we have to scroll down the last. Then we have to click on this app detail in store. It will open to our Play Store. So at here you have to click on the update button and you will be getting update soon. So if you find this helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.